My name is Kein Liang, and I'm the country sales leader for IBM Security. So my primary aim for my customers is to really help them assess and to start a transformation journey, alright, to really bring them towards a state whereby they can secure their organization, their data and their assets. Technology is always evolving, but what is most important is that the attackers, they are getting more intelligent, they are getting more complex in terms of targeting your systems and your assets. So the solutions of 5 years ago are certainly not adequate anymore than what we have right now that we're facing in terms of the threats coming in.
Hi, this is Yang from IBM Security, and we are very excited to be sharing with you in our upcoming live hacking demonstration event, where we'll be showing you how the hackers do it, how the hackers are able to gain access to your confidential data, gain access into your computing systems, and be able to pull out those sensitive data and documents. At the same time, we'll be learning about how IBM Security can support you to protect your enterprises against those advanced persistent threats. So I will see you there.
My name is Robin Pang. I'm the tech sales for IBM Security Malaysia. Okay, what I'm hearing when I went to my client, alright, so most of the time they're saying that there are lack of skill set, alright, and where they carry too many products, alright, in order to comply to the compliance. So that's the biggest challenge actually. So basically we need a solution, alright, to have a single pane of dashboard that can tell the information that the securities that they're having at this moment. The CoDE facilities provide an open eye for our client, alright, to see what is the IT landscape today, alright, and also to look into new innovation that what IBM can provide.
What we aim to have you coming into CoDE is really to experience the applications of what we have within our portfolio, to get a real feel and to visualize and to experience the whole end-to-end solution towards your organization, right? You can come here and in a very safe environment and to map it towards your organization's operations, okay? And you can actually get that kind of feel before you want to purchase, right, any solutions from IBM.